The hydraulic system has a crescent-type gear pump, a centrifugally operated hydraulic governor, and a control valve body assembly to regulate the pressure and direct fluid to the appropriate components. The pump is driven by tangs on the converter spout and operates whenever the engine is running. It supplies all the hydraulic requirements of the transmission during operation. The governor is driven by the transmission output shaft and provides a hydraulic pressure that varies with vehicle speed. This variable pressure is used by the valve body as one of the inputs to control upshifts and downshifts. The valve body has all the valves needed to control the transmission at all stages of operation. They are mostly spool-type valves, but disc and ball check valves are also used. Cylindrical spool valves have a number of distinguishing features. The lands are the raised portions of the valve, while the reduced diameter between each pair of lands is referred to as a valley. The face of each land is square and sharp to the land diameter. Some valves have a stem or extension on one end to locate a regulating or return spring or to limit valve travel. Sharp corners on lands keep out dirt particles and give the valve a self-cleaning action as it moves back and forth in the bore. There is only small clearance between lands and the bore for each valve, so they must be handled with care.